Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you what is in our February Read Past Your Bedtime stamp and colour kit. I'm filming this a little bit early, so I've just got some samples here to show you what's in this kit because I'm about to head off on holidays. So this is the Ideas and Inspiration book, which we'll have a look through in a minute. And this is the Read Past Your Bedtime stamp. Let me just get that focused. There we go. So isn't that gorgeous? A gorgeous little girl, a whole bunch of books, some little dinosaurs and bits and bobs. So really cute stamp, $23 for this stamp. Then we have the Read Past Your Bedtime fussy cutting die, which cuts out all of those shapes for you, also $23. So if you're adding this up, this kit, it only costs you $39. Okay, these are the most adorable little metal caps. And if you guys can see this, I'm just going to focus on it, and then if I flip them over, you can see that they're tiny little metal caps. They are so adorable. We've ordered a whole bunch of these for other kits coming up and we just love them. There is some card bases and envelopes to make all your cards. A little half a sheet of Copic colouring card. 2 sheets of patterned or just cardstock so that you can use them as card bases for matting, so they're really cute. And then of course all of our papers. Now these are printed double-sided. Today I've just got our samples, so they're single-sided, but these are printed double-sided, so you get 10 different sheets altogether included in your kit. And as I said, this kit retails for $39, and this stamp and die alone is $46. So this is great value if you're thinking of getting the Read Past Your Bedtime stamp. Now I want to show you quickly in the Ideas and Inspirations book, there is all of the projects made with the Read Past Your Bedtime only ones in the front, but of course we actually use the other ones as well. So we have 2 other stamps releasing in this collection. I'm going to show you those now. This is the first one, which is called Selfie Pals Builder. Isn't it cute? I will show you in a minute what you can do with this. And of course it has a matching fussy cutting die. I have just marked a page in this book, so give me 1 second to find it. Not that one. What you can do with the stamp. So this is the little bunny here. So what you do is you kind of mix and match the clothes, the heads. You've got a rabbit and a bear and a bunny. You can have glasses, all different eyes. So it's so cute. A couple of other cards our amazing DT have made. I love our DT so much. They're so clever. I just love looking at what they've created. Okay, so that is the Selfie Pals Builder stamp. $23 for this one on retail. This is Australian dollars. And this one here is also $23 for the fussy cutting die. And you can buy it in a set a little bit cheaper on our website as well. And the other add-on stamp for this collection is this one here. It's called Dino Pals. Aren't they ridiculously cute? Now, this is the add-on die for our Dino Pals, and I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, but we have decided not to attach all our dies together, so you have to snip them with your pliers. We've chosen to do that because we feel like it's a better product and it's easier for you guys to use. However, it costs us significantly more because we have to pay someone to stick every single one of these dies down on our packaging, and there is 17, maybe 18 dies in this one. So our fussy cutting dies are great value at $23, and they will save you so much time cutting out all of these little things. So let me just give you a little bit of an idea of some of the cards with our Dino Pals. Aren't they cute? I think I did save another one. This one here I'm going to show you in 1 sec. Alright, so there are 2 add-on stamps with their matching fussy cutting dies, and we also released 2 dies to go with this collection, and these are them. Let me show you this one first. This one is a stitched mountain range. So there's been a lot of rolling hills released over the years, and we've even released one, but we wanted something more mountain-like, and let me show you in here. This is just a little example of how Kash has used that stitched mountain range and the Dino Pals to create that gorgeous card. So really cute die. This one here, it retails for $18.80, and the other one is our Selfie Frames. I love these so much. Now let me just show you these little bubbles here actually fit these words from the Dino Pals stamp set perfectly. Let me just find some pictures in this book to show you what I mean. So here you go. So you can see here Sam's used those little frames, and well, Ashley, sorry Ashley, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous little dino. She's used the mountains. She's used the selfie frame. They are so cute. And again, the little selfie frames. So So that is the entire collection. Again, $18.80 for this die on our website. I am now just going to spend some time flicking through the book so you can just get some ideas of the cards that you can create with this gorgeous collection. Sorry about the lighting, guys. Oh, isn't that just stunning? Joe is an amazing artist. Jenny, I just love our DT so much. These are beautiful cards. I'm filming this at home, that's why the lighting's so bad. Sam and Joe again. So many gorgeous cards by all the girls. I love this. This is with the little frames, the selfie frames. It is such a fun collection. A little bit different from the things we've done before. And we know you're going to love it. Look at those guys. I don't know which is my favourite stamp. I really can't decide this month because they're all just so cute. So just quickly flicking through the rest of them. Girls have been blogging for us with this collection, so keep an eye on our blog. We're going to try to be blogging 3 times a week coming up with our new website. We're so excited. So this is our collection. It is up on our website as of the 15th of February for pre-order, shipping on the 20th. Guys, jump over to our website www.uniquelycreative.com.au to check out our new February stamp and colour collection. Bye guys.